Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I set up my alternator so I can start cleaning it. My plan is just to use some Simple Green and some engine degreaser. I think this is like an old can, but I'm not going to spray it directly on here, obviously because it's electrical. So I'm going to spray it on here and then just try to clean it with the rag. This is my setup, some of my tools. All this is for the 2005 Camry. As you can see, some studs and nuts. I gotta change out the housing. I think it's the housing that's leaking. I don't know. I think they were just really loose and that's why it was leaking. So I bought those and some gaskets because I'm gonna change the oil on it too. Dude, these things are so cheap. The oil filters for the 2005 Camry is only $5.89. Pretty crazy. So yeah, I even bought this little tool from Amazon by Titan. It's like a 180 degree 1/4 or 1/4 inch drive wrench or crescent wrench, I don't know. And yeah, so my plan is to clean this and then put it all back together with the belt, which is gonna be hard. I'm gonna need help putting the new belt back on. So once I put everything back together, do an oil change, I gotta make sure this doesn't leak again. This is an old one. I have the new one somewhere else. So yeah, those are my plans. And that's why this Camry's been garaged this whole time. Let me get my flashlight. So, as you can see in the previous video, I cleaned the engine bay, and there's still some areas that I want to clean, like right there. Didn't even notice how dirty that was. I'll probably clean that today. And here's the problem area. It was leaking from down there. Let me see if I can show you at the same. No, I can't. So that's just me from spraying that like wetness down there. So yeah, those are my plans right now. Let's just clean this and see how it looks afterwards. Okay guys, so I'm finally done cleaning it. I think it looks a lot better. I mean, it could be cleaner, but it's clean enough. I think it'll match the inside. And now that I got this clean, we're gonna put this back on, and we're gonna make sure that the new housing is back on and that it's not leaking, and do an oil change, put the reservoir back on, the belt, which I'm gonna need help with, like I said. And then from there, everything should be good. The main issue was that the housing was leaking, and once that doesn't leak, we shouldn't have any issues with the car. No check engine codes or anything. So once that coolant leak is fixed, the car will be good to go. And I think, yeah, if it doesn't leak, I'm gonna decide to paint it, or just to fix the paint, I should say, because once they crash into it, I had to get a bumper and the fender that's now rusting. I'm pretty sure. I think this is what this is. So who knows, I might even have to get a new fender. So that's another video. So what do you guys think? I'm hoping, like I said, I didn't ruin it with that degreaser or anything. And we'll put it back on and it works. Comment below if you guys have any thoughts, any suggestions, any advice, and if you subscribe, it'll definitely help. So till next time guys, peace out.